So welcome back, my dear track fans, to the YouTube channel, and today we have something very wonderful to report. It's about Gabby Thomas. We remember earlier that Gabby Thomas was able to announce that she has a Jamaican blood in her body. I mean, what she means is that her grandfather is definitely an originated from the Jamaican great nation. So, and recently, Gabby Thomas is one of the fastest 200-meter runner, and she was able to say that it was because of she having the blood of Jamaican in her body, like she having the origin of Jamaican. That is what is making her to run so fast. And recently, she went on a vacation in an island in Jamaica, and she was having a very good time. She was kind of happy, and she is very proud of the Jamaican nation. Yes, Gabby Thomas is very proud that her grandfather is an origin of Jamaica. And to her, she just believes that she running fast is because she has that Jamaican origin in her, and that's what makes her so fast. Yes, Gabby Thomas is also a beautiful damsel. There is no doubt about that. Guys, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel and also make sure to like the video in case this happens to be your first time. So this is the clothes that Gabby Thomas was spotted wearing on a vacation. She posted this on her official Instagram account that she actually went on a vacation in the Jamaican island. Let me know what you think, guys.